Hi there, welcome to the next video. In this video, we will learn how to add quick filter on Agile board. From the active sprint page, you can add a quick filter on the board like this. Only my issues and recently updated filters. When you click at the filter, the board will display the related issues regarding the condition in the selected filter. For example, you want to add a quick filter for issues which have highest priority. First, you select Filters menu on the top, then select Advanced Issue Search. Select the project you want to filter issues, Sample Scrum project, and select Priority as highest. Then click Switch to JQL. Copy the JQL syntax. Then go back to your project, Sample Scrum project. Click at three dots button. Select Board Settings. Click at Quick Filters menu on the left. Then add the name of the filter. Important. Then paste the JQL syntax that you have copied from the previous step. You may add the description as display issues which have highest priority. Then click Add and go back to the board. The important filter is now displayed on the board, and when you click at this filter, it will show the issues which have highest priority.